Hey everyone, I just wanted to share with you a recent purchase I made for my upcoming travels, and it's my very first travelling backpack. And as you can see, I purchased it from Kathmandu in New Zealand, and I just wanted to share with you some of the features of the backpack because I thought hopefully it's going to serve me well on my travels. And I'll obviously do a bit of a review once I get back and just let you know how things went with this. But I also will show in a later video just in terms of packing how much gear this one can actually take. So I decided to purchase, now which it's called an Entrada 65 litre. I think this should be sufficient for what I need. Sometimes people might want something less, a little bit lighter, or that'll take less and you don't need as much gear. But I'm hoping that this will be a good size for me. In the front, as you can see, is a day pack, a detachable day pack, and I'll just show you how that works. So you've got some clips up the top here that you take off. And you've got 4 toggles on the sides. There's only just 2 of them done up at the moment, but 4 toggles on the side that you can detach from the main backpack itself. So there is the backpack. It's probably used just for a bit of a day trip if you've only got a small amount of gear to carry around. It's got a compartment in there where you can store gear. It's also got a small front pocket here that you might want to put some gear in there. Plus this area in here as well. It's also got a front side pocket there, and you'll find it's got a compartment there, but tucked away in there the padded and just inside this area here, so it's can neatly tuck away the straps if they're not needed. So as simple as that, you've got your day pack and your little strap here that you put on, and so there you go, nice and neat. Just obviously a strap, adjust the straps here to suit. And if you're travelling in some countries where pickpockets are something of a regular thing, you can always just wear your day pack on the front here. Not actually a fashionable wear, but at least it's the stuff that you got in here is safe. Okay, so that's the day pack. Right, some of the features here on the backpack. So here's where the day pack is attached, and if we open it up, these are just some nice tidy compression straps that you can use once you're all packed up and you just need to keep things all snug and together. So you open up this and you've sort of got a, rather than loading from the top, you can pack things in like a suitcase style and get things, plenty of things in there nice and snug. Inside, on that front flap there, you've got a compartment here that you can store things. You've also got, down the bottom here, is a sort of a drawstring bag where you could probably put wet gear, maybe shoes, dirty laundry or something like that, and just drawstring and keep it tucked away nicely there. There's also, I think I showed you the little side pocket here. I'll just put the camera down a bit so you're seeing a little bit more. So you've got the little side pocket there, and also inside here another compartment in there where you can store gear. Once again, some compression straps, so once you're all loaded up and got your gear all packed in there nicely, you might want to just strap it up so that it's once again nice and snug and compact inside there. So that's the internal of the backpack. You have at the top here another compartment that fits a reasonable amount of gear in. Anything like maybe, once again, shoes, jackets, towels. So another compartment there that could fit quite a bit of stuff. You've got a padlock tag here where you can put on a padlock, and just a little clip there. You've got a side pocket here that might be ideal for drink bottle situation. You put in there, plenty of space in there. And at the back here, obviously, you've got your straps. So lots of padding for the back, the hip, the back again, some strong bars in there to help with support. You've got some adjustable strapping there, so you can, depending on your length, you can change to suit your size and length. Also, these straps here are adjustable as well, and really good support padding there. So when you actually put the backpack on, once you're loaded up and you've adjusted the straps accordingly, and you do up, you'll find that the weight bearing area is around this area here on the hips, and it feels really comfortable. There's no weight bearing down on the shoulders. It's sitting on your hips here, and it feels really comfortable at the back too with all the padding that's there. So obviously once it's full and you've adjusted the strap so it's all nice and comfortable, you'll find that majority of your weight is being held here at these areas, which is really good. Okay, so just another feature. If you want to carry your luggage in a different way other than on your back, just give these straps a bit of a wrap up, like that, and you find tucked away in a sleeve down the bottom is this, which joins on to a zip down the bottom quite easily, handle out, and zips up nice and tidily, so it tucks away all that strapping, and you can carry your luggage sort of like in a duffel bag type style. These done up. So yeah, nice and compact. And I'm sure you're able to get quite a bit of stuff in there. So that's it, that's my backpack, that's my purchase. Looking forward to using it, which will be pretty much, yes, something that I'll be making the most of on my trip away. So if you've got any questions, leave me a comment, ask me the question, and I'll see what I can do. The material it's made out of is waterproof, and basically if it gets dirty, wet, just make sure you leave it to dry. Just give it a wipe down and it'll be fine, totally waterproof. Yeah, so pleased about the purchase. Got it on special, so good price, and yeah, a happy purchase. Alright, so I'll do another video to show you how I actually pack it and how much I can get in here, and we'll go from there. Okay, thank you.